I think I'm in the business of nostalgia and emotion. I just happen to use food and cooking as a mechanism to stimulate those emotions. Good culinary schools instill a level of discipline, and it's really important. You can play around, be creative, really important. But you need a structure, framework, and discipline, and that's what culinary schools can do. My advice to any student would be learn all the basics of classical French cooking, because you can't break the rules until you know them. Learn them, then question everything. In 1997, I made a crab risotto with crab ice cream, and it polarised people. Nowadays, if I say crab ice cream, people don't bat an eyelid. What it did, it led to my first paper with Sussex University, and it was about if you served an ice cream, so smoked salmon ice cream or frozen smoked salmon mousse. When it was called salmon ice cream, it was perceived to be 10 to 20% saltier, just by changing the name of the dish. And that's when I came up with the whole concept of multisensory gastronomy. But if chefs don't embrace the science, they might not have the patience, they might not be interested. They can still cook delicious food. But I think a base knowledge of the science of cooking will make a big difference to any chef's repertoire. My culinary voice is emotional, and it's in search of perfection. It's being able to make dishes that bring people to tears.